Hey, I'm Mike O'Dowd, founder of Defense Strategies Group, and I'm going to show you how to clean your Remington 870 in about 3 minutes. I say about because I don't actually know how long it's going to take. Before we start cleaning, I'm going to show you a couple things that I like to have with me when I'm cleaning shotguns. Really, when I'm cleaning any guns, I like to have scrub brushes with me, make sure I get all the carbon off. I like to have a lube and a solvent on me at all times. Something sharp that I can scrape with, and then something pokey that I can put to punch pins out. I like to have one of these big barrel cleaners for the shotgun. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, it's just a big wad of cotton on a rod, and then some kind of cleaning rag. All right, when we want to take the gun down, first thing we're going to do is unscrew the spring and the tube. So unscrew it and spring, pulling that off, laying it forward, making sure that the spring doesn't come shooting off. Then we're gonna pull the barrel off. And now this is the only tricky part on the 870 is we're gonna pull that bolt forward. But as we get up there, there's gonna be two little detents that we press inside the gun. And as we press them, we'll be able to take the bolt off with our pump, and then the lower receiver just sits. Take our bolt off and our bolt carrier, lay it off to the side, and now all we're gonna do is wipe the carrier down, wipe and scrape the bolt down. We'll get inside this barrel tube with our cleaning rod, same inside this pump and our chokes, wipe down our spring, and then also wiping down the inside of our receiver with solvent and some kind of rag, maybe Q-tips if you want to get gnat's ass with it. And then we're going to put everything back together. So to put everything back together, we're going to go reverse order. So I'm going to take my carrier, put it right on top, put the bolt right on top of that. And we're going to be real careful to slide this into place, pressing on the detent on the inside, the detent on the outside, and then it'll slide into place. You'll press your button down here that's gonna release the bolt. And then you're gonna take your barrel, line it up, stick the barrel inside, and then reverse order like from before. Taking your spring, packing it in. This is the one part that is going to really cause you problems if you let this thing go while it's cocked back. Put my tube back on. Screw it in. Now my rifle's ready to go. Give it a rack, pull the trigger, rack, let go. Pull the trigger, open. Chamber magwell, and shotgun. Ready to fire.